Hi, today I'm going to tell you a story. The name of the story is The Night the Moon Went Missing. Have you seen a moon? Have you seen a night when the moon was missing? Where do you think the moon will go? Let's find out what happened to the moon. We will meet some friends of ours who can tell us what happened to the moon and where the moon was. Let's begin the story to find out. Late one night, when Amma and Appa were sleeping, Maisha went to meet one of her best friends who lives in the sea. Uchli, are you here? Uchli is a fish who loves to swim. Uchli looks worried. What's the matter? Maisha asks. Why do you look so upset? Can't you see? Says Uchli. The moon is missing. But we saw her last night, Maisha says. Do you think she's lost in the water? We have to find her, Uchli says. They go swimming in the sea. On their way, they find a glowing octopus. They also find a glowing fish. Have you seen an octopus? Or a glowing fish? They stopped and asked, Will you please share your light with us? The moon is missing and we need some light to find her. Yes, of course, says the glowing fish. But I saw her going towards the seaside a few hours ago. Maisha, Uchli, and their new friends start swimming towards the seaside. After a while, suddenly, Maisha sees something bright. They all come out of the water to see what Maisha found. As the clouds moved apart, there was the moon hiding behind the clouds. Hooray! Everyone shouts as they see the moon. They all wave goodbye to the moon and go back to their homes. Thank you all for listening to the story. I hope you enjoyed it.